The importance of a coding portfolio introduction.
Your portfolio's introduction is your first impression. It sets the tone for recruiters, hiring managers, or collaborators visiting your site. A strong introduction can highlight your personality, showcase your passion for coding, and immediately communicate your value. Crafting this section carefully helps you stand out and makes visitors want to learn more about your skills and experience.
Start with a personal greeting.
Begin with a brief, friendly greeting that introduces who you are. Share your name and a bit of context, such as your current role, coding interests, or what initially drew you to software development. This helps humanize your profile and creates an engaging connection with visitors right away.
Highlight your key skills and focus.
Mention your main programming languages, frameworks, or areas of expertise. Be specific about the technologies you work with and describe what excites you about them. Whether you're focused on web development, data science, or mobile apps, this helps visitors quickly understand your strengths and professional focus.
Share a brief professional story or passion.
This could be a project that inspired you, a problem you love solving, or the impact you want to make through technology. Sharing a personal story adds authenticity and helps recruiters see you as more than just a list of skills.
Encourage engagement and next steps.
Conclude your introduction with an invitation for visitors to look further. Suggest that they browse your projects, check your resume, or reach out to connect. This encourages interaction and guides people to explore your full portfolio beyond the introduction.